Quick correction if I did it wrong before. The charging port should be in front on your battery for the Duckiebot. So the charging port should sit above this, and these USB cables should be in the front of your car. Okay. Just in case you did it wrong, like I just did. All right, so now we're gonna put these two parts in. So you have the top, which has your Raspberry Pi. Hopefully you put in that card by now. You've got your DC stepper motor hat with your cool soldered on connections. You've got your camera and its cable is coming through, and make sure you see the printing on this side. Yeah, so now we're gonna put this top on. So what I do is I put the screw on like that, and then I find the hole with the screw. And we're looking for this back guy right here, right? The little lone things there. Okay. This one in kind of loosely, because be nice if it moved a little bit at this point. And let's see. So this hole right here, we can find this thing, and if I need to move it a little bit, I can. And find it. There we go. Just help it along underneath by grabbing onto the spacer, which is hexagonal, so it allows me to grab it a little bit. Okay. And sorry if you hear the TV too much. People are upstairs watching a movie. All right, so then this guy in front here. Just make sure that hole lines up. There we go. This last guy. Sorry about that, off camera a little bit. Okay, so now we just need to wire up the power and the electricity to the motors.